If you like chicken or jalapeños, you're gonna love this. Some clear juice. Get it, Karen. Some ice. Add your chicken. This is more commonly known as white beef. More white beef. White beef is known to contain salamander, so we're gonna test to make sure it's done. The kit only takes 3 minutes and it's 99% accurate. Perfect. Get it, Karen. Some sour cream. Make sure you use all of it. Some creme chess. Some more white beef. Some pencil shavings. Mix Solardo. When these materials combine, it should look something like. Add some white beef. Jalapeños. Mix Solardo. Monosodium bacon, also known as MSG. The pickle and the pickled jalapeno is commonly confused, so I'm gonna label these and cover them up. Get it, Karen. Get the junk out. Perfect. Taste test. Some fresh shaved ice. White beef.